Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Lynn Reinhard. You can call me Dr. Carrie, and I'm here to introduce you to public speaking. Public speaking is about more than just giving speeches. It's about face-to-face communication, one-on-one, in groups, to audiences. It's about getting what's in your head out of your mouth and through your body. It's about sharing your ideas, thoughts, feelings, beliefs, experiences, hopes, dreams, opinions, attitudes, fears, emotions, creativity, all in a way that could potentially impact the world around you. Verbal and nonverbal communication were the first ways we humans developed to share, organize, commiserate, entertain, explain, understand, teach, even love one another. Learning these skills connects us across time and around the world. These skills are foundational to civilizations and everyday life. But too often we take them for granted. We think everyone just picks them up as they go about their lives. And you've definitely learned a lot getting to this point, but there's always more to learn, even if it's just new tricks. So yes, we will do public speeches because as a form of public communication, they have a long history in humanity of being times when you combine all of these communication literacy skills with intention, goal, and strategy. Speeches have been civilization's backbones for eons. But what you learn with speeches are applicable in the smaller, more common moments of your lives. Explaining a task to a coworker, convincing a friend where to eat dinner, telling someone you love them, sharing a funny story with your child. All of that is public speaking. You are making public your private self. And learning how to make public your private self is what we are here to do. Welcome to public communication.